April Jeannette Mendez, known by her ring name A.G. was born on 9th of March in 1987. She is 37 years. She is an American author, screenwriter, and retired professional wrestler. She is best known in WWE. She began her professional wrestling career in 2007 in New Jersey's independent circuit. She signed with WWE in 2009 and spent 2 years in developmental branch, Florida Championship Wrestling, before her promotion to the main roster in 2012. She rose to prominence through storyline with her mantra unstable characters such as high-profile relationship and 3-month stint as the general manager of Raw. She won the Diva Championship, a record trying 3 times, and held the title for an overall record of 406 days. She also won the Slammy Award for Diva of the Year in 2012 and 2014, and Reader of Pro Wrestling Illustrated voted her Woman of the Year from 2012 to 2014. She retired from the ring in 2015. Mendez's 2017 memoir, Crazy Is My Superpower, was a New York Times bestseller. Besides a successful career in wrestling, she also acted in movies such as Scooby-Doo, Madden the Movie, The Evolution of Punk, Robit, Bread of the 47 Ronin, Hills, and her recent Sacramento release in 2024. Her accomplishments in wrestling include Florida Championship. She won 1-time Female Diva Championship. She won Queen of Female Circuit World Champion 1 times. She was honored with Guinness World Record of most wins of WWE Divas Championship 3 times. In pro wrestling, she was Woman of the Year from 2012 to 2014. She was ranked number 2 of top 50 female wrestler in PIW Female 50 in 2024. In WWE, she won WWE Divas Championship 3 times. She won Slammy Award 3 times. She was Diva of the Year 2012-2014. She won Kiss of the Year in 2012 with John Cena. Those was some information you need to know about A.G. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write to the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. April Jeannette Mendez, uzwi cyane nk'amazina yakoreshaga muri ring A.G. yavutse tariki 19 z'ukwa gatatu 1987. Uyu munsi afite imyaka 37. Akaba yarahoze ari umukinnyi w'imikino njyarugamba muri WWE. Akaba yaratangiye gukina mu mwaka wa 2007, atangira muri New Jersey muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Muri 2009 yahise akina nk'uwabigize umwuga, atangira muri Florida Championship. Uretse gukina imikino njyarugamba, yakinnye mu mafilime nka Scooby-Doo, Madden, The Evolution of Punk, Robit, Bread of the 47 Ronin, Hills, ndetse n'iheruka gusohoka yitwa Sacramento yo muri 2024. Yagiye atsindira imidari myinshi mu mikino njyarugamba. Ibyo ni bimwe wakamenye kuri A.G. Wakoze kubana nanjye, nagusohoka like na subscribe byumenye amakuru agezweho. Igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.